What are punitive damages? Punitive damages can play a pivotal role in serious personal injury cases. While most people are familiar with compensation for medical bills or lost wages, punitive damages serve a very different purpose: punishing defendants for especially reckless or intentional behavior. These damages send a message that extreme misconduct won't be tolerated, and they're awarded only under specific, limited circumstances. Punitive damages are not common, but when they apply, they can significantly increase the amount a plaintiff receives. If someone has been harmed due to outrageous or deliberate misconduct, they may be eligible to seek these additional damages in Pennsylvania. Punitive damages, also called exemplary damages, are not designed to reimburse victims but to penalize wrongdoers. In Pennsylvania, these damages come into play only when the conduct goes beyond typical negligence. They are meant to act as a deterrent to others and are awarded in civil, not criminal, cases. While compensatory damages focus on covering losses like medical expenses and lost income, punitive damages are about punishment. For instance, a drunk driver who causes a major crash might face punitive damages, not just to cover the victim's expenses but to penalize the driver's dangerous behavior. Courts look for actions that show willful, wanton, or malicious intent, or a complete disregard for the safety of others. Under Pennsylvania law, punitive damages are allowed only when there is a high level of misconduct. The courts have set clear standards. The defendant's behavior must be shown to involve malicious intent, willful disregard for safety, or extreme recklessness. Careless mistakes or ordinary negligence aren't enough. There must be strong evidence showing the defendant acted with indifference or outright malice. Only about 3 to 5% of civil trials result in punitive damage awards, underscoring just how rare and serious these cases are. Certain types of cases are more likely to qualify for punitive damages. In motor vehicle accidents, damages might be awarded when drivers engage in behaviors far beyond simple negligence, like extreme speeding or driving under the influence. In medical malpractice, a healthcare provider's conduct must be shockingly reckless, such as operating while intoxicated or knowingly performing surgery on the wrong body part. Product liability cases may also qualify. A manufacturer that knowingly sells a dangerous product or conceals risks could face punitive damages. In assault cases, the defendant's intentional actions often meet the threshold. And in wrongful death claims, if the defendant's behavior was especially egregious, such as a fatal accident caused by extreme recklessness, punitive damages may be considered. To pursue punitive damages, a plaintiff must present compelling evidence. This could include surveillance footage, police reports, expert testimony, or internal company documents. It's not enough to say the defendant was negligent. The burden of proof is on the plaintiff to show the behavior was egregious. When filing a lawsuit, plaintiffs must clearly state that they're seeking punitive damages. Courts do not include them by default. During trial, the court or jury evaluates the defendant's behavior to determine if it warrants punishment. Having an attorney is essential in these cases. A lawyer can help collect the right evidence, meet legal standards, and advocate for the additional compensation. The law firm representing the injured party must show why the defendant's actions rise to this serious level of misconduct. If you believe you were harmed by more than just negligence, you may be entitled to punitive damages. The attorneys at Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George P.C. have years of experience handling personal injury cases in western Pennsylvania and understand what it takes to pursue these complex claims. Call 724-658-8535 or visit their office at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, 16101 to schedule a consultation and explore your legal options.